We are solving rational equations, and we want to solve rational equations by using the LCD, and then we want to check for extraneous solutions. And if we look at example E here, we have x minus 2 in the denominator and x minus 2 in the denominator. And for the 7, we understand that there is a 1 in the denominator there. And so what we have to do is we have to multiply the 7 by x minus 2 over x minus 2. That will give us the common denominators, or the lowest common denominator for each of, so each of the fractions will have the same denominator. So we leave the first fraction alone, and we can just write it as 5x over x minus 2, and that's going to be equal to 7x minus 14 over x minus 2, and then that's going to be plus 10 over x minus 2. The next step when we go to solve is multiply all fractions by the LCD, and the reason that we do that is because that gets a lot of stuff to drop out. So if we multiply everything by x minus 2 over 1, x minus 2 in the numerator, and then that cancels all those in the denominator. So then what we're left with is just 5x is equal to 7x minus 14 plus 10. And then we can combine our like terms here. So then we get 5x is equal to 7x minus 4. And then subtract 7x. And then we get negative 2x is equal to negative 4. Divided by negative 2. And then we get x is equal to 2. And then we want to check to see what we get, to see if that is a solution. And so we go 5 times 2 over 2 minus 2. And we're checking to see if that's going to be equal to 7 plus 10 over 2 minus 2. And so what we get in this case is 10 over 0 is equal to 7 plus 10 over 0. And so in this case, where we have the 0 in the denominator, that's undefined. Because we have the 0 in the denominator, and so x cannot equal 2, and so in this case we have no solution.